go of the living God. The Lord who saved me from the claws. My goodness. In his private time, he had a revelation. He had a flashback of what God did for him out in the shepherd and in the field. He thought about that. He says, the Lord who saved me from the claws of the lion and saved me from the bear, he'll save me from this Philistine. David saw victory in his private life. He began to get before God and spend time with God and know his covenant with God. He reminded himself of what God had done. And then as a result, it caused him to have courage to face the hardship, to face the difficult giant, to face what seemed to be intimidating. And so he says, he'll save me. He'll save me. And you got to make up in your mind, God will save me. God will deliver me. God will heal me. God will protect me. God will do what he says. He says, he'll save me from this. And Saul finally consented. All right, go ahead, he said, and may the Lord be with you. He realized it wasn't too much that was going to change David's mind. So he said, all right, I give in.
Are you trying to ignore the trouble spots in your life? In Taffy Dollar's 3-part series, How to Have Hope When It's Hard, she uncovers how to find victory in the midst of trials. This series is available for a love gift of only $20 or more for CDs or $30 or more for DVDs. Call the number on your screen, scan the QR code, or visit CrefloDollarMinistries.org and click eStore to get yours. Activate a new response to adversity.
Download and stay connected with the Changing Your World podcast with Creflo Dollar. Keep the Word of God at the forefront of your mind with these powerful and uplifting messages. With each message that you download and stream, you gain revelation of the fullness of God's grace. The Changing Your World podcast brings you life-changing wisdom right at your fingertips, no matter where you are. Subscribe today on Apple Podcast, Spotify, or your preferred podcast platform.
Jesus instructed us to